Hi, I'm Jacob with National Fleet Products, and today we're going to take a look at a loading ramp inside of a Mercedes Metris. Let's check it out. As you can see, the ramp stows just behind the rear doors, taking up about 13 inches of cargo space. The ramp is very easy to operate. Let me show you. This ramp is 39 inches wide and 88 inches long, and the capacity is 880 pounds. As you can see, it's very stable under load. Now, while this ramp is deployed, let me show you some unique features that are inside of the vehicle. Here you'll notice two red handles. These red handles activate an optional feature, which is a removable kit. And this van happens to have the ability to swivel the ramp inside. There's an additional locking mechanism next to the wheel well. So when this ramp is going to be out of use for an extended period of time, it can be stowed out of your way more easily. So I'll fold it up and I'll show you that here in a second. But what I want to point out here is we have a spring assist. It makes this ramp very easy to operate. I can do this one-handed. Pretty neat, huh? So I'll go ahead and loosen this up and we'll move it in and show you how that looks. Now, of course, that would have to be locked into position, but you get the idea. There it is, out of your way and ready to be used in other capacities that you may envision. Pretty neat, huh? Thanks for watching.